Today, we're going to dissect Lamborghini's latest creation, the Temerario. We'll look at its insane 920 CV hybrid powertrain, its race-inspired aerodynamics, and the tech that makes it a rolling supercomputer. By the end, you'll know if this really is the future of Lamborghini. We're about to break down the mind-blowing 920 CV powertrain that'll make your head spin, the aerodynamics that'll keep you glued to the road, and tech that'll make your smartphone look like a calculator. Ready to see if this bull has what it takes? Let's find out if the Temerario is the game changer Lamborghini needs. Now, about that powertrain, Lamborghini could have played it safe, but they didn't. Instead, they've cooked up something that might just rewrite the rules of the supercar game. How does a twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors sound? Trust me, it's even better than you're imagining. At the heart of the Temerario lies a bespoke 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that's anything but ordinary. This isn't your run-of-the-mill power plant. It's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible in a road-going supercar. The engine's flat-plane crankshaft design isn't just for show. It's a key player in the Temerario's performance and character. So, what makes this engine so special? For starters, it redlines at a jaw-dropping 10,000 revolutions per minute. That's right, 10,000. We're talking Formula One levels of high-revving madness here, but it's not just about the numbers. This design choice has a profound impact on the engine's sound and responsiveness. Let's break it down. The V8 churns out a mind-bending 800 CV between 9,000 and 9,750 revolutions per minute. That's enough to make most supercars blush, but Lamborghini didn't stop there. They've integrated 3 electric motors into the mix, bumping the total output to a staggering 920 CV. It's like they've taken the best of both worlds and cranked it up to 11. Now you might be thinking, sure, it's powerful, but what about that instant electric torque? Well, Lamborghini's got you covered. The electric motors aren't just there for show, they're strategically placed to deliver immediate powers when you need it most. There's one on the crankshaft for low-end grunt and 2 more on the front axle, each driving a wheel. This setup doesn't just boost performance, it allows for some seriously clever torque vectoring. But here's where it gets really interesting. Lamborghini's chief technical officer, Reuven Moore, didn't just want raw power, he wanted character. In his words, "We wanted to develop an incomparable, high-performance sports engine that combines the best of 2 worlds, an emotional combustion engine based on a twin-turbocharged V8 and a performance-oriented electrification." It's not just about going fast, it's about how it makes you feel while you're doing it, and feel it you will. The Temerario doesn't just accelerate, it launches. We're talking 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds. Keep your foot down and you'll see speeds exceeding 340 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. This hybrid powertrain delivers power in a way that's both explosive and controllable, giving you the confidence to push harder and brake later. While the engine is a marvel, it's only part of the Temerario's performance equation. Did you know this Lambo generates more downforce than some race cars? The secret lies in its revolutionary aerodynamic package. Lamborghini's engineers have pushed the boundaries of what's possible, creating a car that doesn't just cut through the air, it dominates it. Let's talk numbers. The Temerario achieves a mind-blowing 103% increase in rear downforce compared to the Huracan Evo. We're talking more than double the downforce of its predecessor, but Lamborghini didn't stop there. With the optional Allegorita package, you're looking at an additional 158% boost in downforce. This isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. So how did they pull off this aerodynamic wizardry? It starts at the front, where hexagonal daytime running lights double as air intakes. This clever design improves airflow and cooling efficiency, setting the stage for what's to come. Move to the underbody, and you'll find vortex generators working overtime to increase rear aerodynamic load and maximize airflow extraction. But the real showstopper is at the back. The Temerario's new rear diffuser boasts a 70% larger surface area compared to the Huracan Evo. This isn't just for show, it significantly enhances downforce, keeping the car glued to the road at high speeds. And speaking of high speeds, the roof design features a central channel that directs air toward the rear spoiler, further increasing downforce and aerodynamic efficiency. Every element of the Temerario's design serves a purpose. From the integrated air inlets to the strategically placed fins, each component contributes to the car's overall aerodynamic efficiency. It's a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to merging function and beauty. But what does all this mean in the real world? It translates to unparalleled stability and handling at high speeds. The Temerario doesn't just go fast, it corners like it's on rails, brakes with astonishing efficiency, and maintains composure in situations that would leave lesser cars struggling. Stefan Winkelmann, Lamborghini's CEO, wasn't exaggerating when he described the Temerario as a car in a league of its own. The aerodynamic advancements aren't just about numbers on a spec sheet, they fundamentally change the driving experience. Whether you're attacking a winding mountain road or pushing the limits on a track, the Temerario's aerodynamics work tirelessly to keep you in control. While the Temerario's aerodynamics keep you glued to the road, its interior is designed to make you feel like you're taking flight. Lamborghini's feel like a pilot philosophy is front and center in the Temerario's cockpit. The low seating position and slim dashboard aren't just for show, they're designed to make you feel more connected to the car. It's like you're not just driving, you're becoming one with the machine. But here's where it gets really cool. Lamborghini's new human-machine interface system is a game changer. We're talking 3 displays, a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel, an 8.4-inch central screen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. It's like having a command center at your fingertips. Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't all this tech going to take away from the raw driving experience? Not a chance. Lamborghini's found a way to blend digital and physical controls that keeps you engaged. The iconic start button and racing-inspired steering wheel, they're still there, reminding you that this is a Lamborghini through and through. But let's talk about the real showstopper, the Lamborghini Vision Unit System. This isn't just some fancy infotainment setup. We're talking advanced telemetry, a memories recorder, and a dash cam. Imagine recording your best laps, reliving your favorite drives, and capturing every moment of your Lamborghini experience. It's like having a personal race engineer and videographer rolled into one. The Lamborghini Vision Unit System uses 3 high-definition cameras to capture both the road and your driving experience. It's not just about bragging rights. This tech can help you analyze and improve your performance on the track. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to relive their best Lamborghini moments? But Lamborghini didn't stop there. The Temerario's infotainment system is packed with features like over-the-air map updates, voice assistant capabilities, and wireless smartphone connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, they're here too. It's like Lamborghini's saying, yeah, we can do cutting-edge tech, but we're still all about the drive. And speaking of the drive, the pilot interaction concept lets you control essential functions without taking your eyes off the road. The system's graphics and layout are designed for quick, intuitive operation. It's all about keeping you focused on what matters most, the thrill of driving a Lamborghini. But don't think all this tech means Lamborghini's forgotten about luxury. The interior is decked out in high-quality materials like carbon fiber and leather. And if you want to make it your own, the personalization options are practically endless. All right, let's talk about why the Temerario is such a big deal for Lamborghini. This beast isn't just another supercar, it's a glimpse into Lamborghini's future. With its insane 920 CV hybrid powertrain, mind-bending aerodynamics, and tech that'd make a spaceship jealous, the Temerario is rewriting the rules of what a Lamborghini can be. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about one car. The Temerario is the second model in Lamborghini's high-performance electrified vehicle range, following the Revuelto. It's a key player in Lamborghini's plan to hybridize their entire lineup. As Reuven Moore, Lamborghini's chief technical officer, put it, with the Temerario, we have completed a key chapter in the electrification strategy. So, here's the million-dollar question. The Temerario proves hybrid tech can deliver mind-bending performance. But is this enough to win over die-hard Lambo fans? Only time will tell.